So yeah, LM Notebook changes over to Gemini, and of course they don't give you like any instructions. They just tell you stuff. They just say, "Oh, you've reached your maximum number of notebooks," and you're like, "What's that mean? I've paid that." So then you go and upgrade, and you try and figure out what, and it's still doing all that. Won't let you do anything. This button here, like, is darkened out. So what it means, what it's trying to tell you, right? After you've paid money to try and find out whatever it was on about, is you got to get to these things, right? And you got to delete some because you got too many in there, and then it won't let you like select a whole heap so you can delete like 100 at the same time. Nah, won't do that. You've got to do one by one and go through and delete all these things. Stupid Google. Why make my life more difficult? Alright, God bless.